All right, some paperwork, quick guide. Yeah. Wow. Feels really premium. We'll take a look at later. Power cord. Oh, wow, that is the bin. Water tank. One for dirty, one for clean. More accessories. We have one dust bag here, detergent, some cleaning tools, paper filter, and this. Okay, what else? Nothing. And now let's take this off. All right, so we have dust bag here that's already installed. Yeah, some other ports. This is looks really high end. I've never seen robot vacuum comes with all of this, you know. Magnetic.